Children, we are learning The Merchant of Venice, Act 4, and we began that act in the last class. Let's continue. We have seen that Shylock gives reason or explain why he wants a pound of flesh from the merchant Antonio for his forfeiture. Now, when he was explaining that he is ready to lose 3,000 ducats to destroy the destroyer of his wealth, and he is giving an example that if there is a rat in the house and it destroys the property, anyone will spend money to poison it. So he is giving that example. So and some more examples also he was giving, and when he was explaining everything, Bassanio answers to him, and he says that this is no answer, thou unfeeling man, to excuse the current of thy cruelty. And he says that, Shylock, you don't have any sense, you are an insensitive man, and you want to excuse your way of cruelty. You are giving all this explanation. It is not the answer. And Shylock, I am not bound to please thee with my answers. So he directly opposing the words of Bassanio. What he says, I am not obliged to please you through my answers. Whatever the answers I am giving, it's not for you. You don't bother. And Bassanio, and he keeps questioning him, do all men kill the things they do not love? He asks Shylock that, are there people who kill what all they hate? What all they do not love, do they kill it? If you do so, what we will leave on this earth? Many things we do not love, but we do not kill it. So you do not love Antonio, it is not that you will kill him. So Shylock says, hates any man the thing he would not kill. So he says that, does any man hate the thing he would not kill? He is giving another answer to him. And Bassanio, every offense is not a hate at first. See, when you are hating something, it's not that immediately you should do some offense or any offense which you have got. It's not necessary you should hate it. And something you have offended by someone, it's not that immediately you should hate them. That's what Bassanio says. So what Shylock says, what? Wouldst thou have a serpent sting thee twice? So he is putting up a question to Bassanio. Okay, you are offended by a snake. A snake bites you once, and you will not hate it. You will allow the snake to bite it again. Will you get the snake's bites twice? So Shylock asked this question to Bassanio, such a, what you can say, a question which is not to be answered. Such a question he put up. So immediately Antonio says, I pray you, think, you question with a Jew. I plead thee, Bassanio, I request you to remember that you are questioning a Jew, a Shylock who is a Jew there. You may as well go. So he is saying that it is easy for you to do something which is hard on this earth than to questioning Shylock. So what are the example he says? So this is one of the important extract from this scene. Underline it and go through it twice or thrice and try to understand his examples better. Antonio says, he is comparing something which are considered as harder thing to do on this earth, which are impossible to expect from other something. That thing you can make it possible than to make this man to understand. So that's what he says. So what are the things? More than three things he says. Underline those things. First thing, you may as well go stand upon the beach and bid the main flood bait his usual height. First thing, he says you can go to the sea beach, that means near the seashore, and you can stand there and order or request, and you may tell that high tide to not to increase its height, ask the high tide not to reach the usual height. So high tide always make the high waves. So you can go and ask those high tide, say that don't make a high wave, reduce your height of the wave, that you can say the waves and the tide, it can listen. And then second, what he says, you may as well use question with the wolf, why he hath made the ye bleat for the lamb. So we all know that wolf is a greedy animal, and it always look for the prey, and it kills the animal and eat. And here, such a wolf, you can ask the wolf, a wolf which eats the lamb and makes the Eve. Eve is the female sheep. And when a lamb is eaten by a wolf or killed by the wolf, naturally the female or the mother sheep will cry for the lamb. So when you hear the cry of the Eve and you have seen that wolf is killing the lamb or kill the lamb, you can question the wolf that why did you do so, and that also can answer. But this man is not at all. And you may, third point, you may as well forbid the mountain pines to wag their high tops and to make no noise. You can go to the mountain, and you know that the pine trees, tall trees in the mountains, make noise because of the wind and because of the wave. The height of the tall trees will make some noise. You can ask those winds of heaven to reduce its sound of the trees. That also you can do when they are threatened with the gust of heaven. You may as well do anything most hard. These are the things are very hard because it is natural. You cannot control the nature, and even that you can make it possible. As seek to soften that then which was harder. So anything most hard as attempt to soften that than which what is harder. What all the harder thing you can do it. His joyous heart. Therefore, I do beseech, making other harder things softer is easy than to soften his heart. So these people are Duke, Bassanio, and other people who were present in the court were trying to soften the heart of Shylock and make him to understand, or make him to accept the money, the 3,000 ducats instead of a pound of flesh. But it will not. Make no more offers, use no further means. Don't make him any more offers, or use no further means, don't use many other means to make him to soften him, but with all brief. So Antonio is coming down, but with all brief and plain conveniency, but with all due speed of convenience, how much you can make it possible. Let me have judgment. Make it how quickly you can make the judgment, that much quickly you do the judgment, and the do his will. What all my judgment, let me accept it, and what he wishes, what all desires Shylock has, let him have it. So there is no point of arguing with this hardened heart fellow Shylock. That's what Antonio says here. So he is giving 3 examples. Number one, the harder thing is asking the waves to reduce its height. And second, asking the wolf, why did you make the Eve to cry? And the third, you can ask the tall trees, that is pine trees in the mountain, not to make noise. So these things you can do, but you cannot soften this fellow. So let me have the judgment as quickly as possible, and let him have his desire. There Antonio is making the people to understand that he is ready to accept the punishment. So here we will stop. We'll continue in the next class, the 4th act, scene 1.